To replace one of the elevator's two optical sensors, equip yourself with slotted screwdrivers, and wrenches. You'll also need the new optical sensor. All operations must be carried out by habilitated persons. You must first remove the tray to access the optical sensors. To remove the cold tray, you must first position the elevator at your height. Press the system button, then move. Unlock the safety button. It must not be released during the entire procedure. Press the arrows in the elevator section to position it at your height. Open the switchboard door. Shut down D12 to operate safely. Disconnect the cold tray connector. Unscrew the screws holding the cold tray on the charger. Unscrew the guide screws. Unscrew the two front screws. They keep the cold tray above the lower cold plate. Remove the cold tray. You now have access to the optical sensors. Unscrew the sheath nut of the optical sensor. Unscrew the fixing nut. Install the new cell by fastening its nut and that of the connector. Reassemble the cold tray. Screw in the front screws. Fix the guide. Screw the attachment screws to the charger. Reconnect the cold plate connector. Put D12 back up. Press the Windows key on the keyboard and click on the triangle-shaped icon to open the Guardian. Click Reboot, then Reboot Software.